Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Astral Radiance aura. This beautiful and rare aura is a mythical item, meaning it's one of the more challenging ones to find. But don't worry, I'll walk you through each step, making your journey to obtaining this radiant glow much simpler. Let's dive in and get you that amazing aura. Your adventure starts by heading to the space area. Open your game's teleport menu and select space to instantly transport yourself there. Once you arrive, take a moment to orient yourself. The vastness of space can be a bit disorienting, but our destination is quite specific. Getting to this initial location is the first crucial step. Once you're in the space area, immediately turn to your left. You'll need to navigate a short distance until you spot a noticeable hole in the ground. This is your entry point to a secret chamber. Carefully jump into this opening and continue your descent until you reach the absolute bottom. Precision is key here to avoid any missteps. Now that you've reached the bottom of the shaft, make your way towards the back right corner of this hidden area. Look closely, and you will find the magnificent Astral Radiance aura glowing brightly. Simply walk over to it and interact to claim your prize. Congratulations, you've successfully added a truly mythical aura to your collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.